Dear aspirant, welcome to Current Affairs for UPSC by Zaki. Today we are going to discuss on 6G communication satellite. Basically it is a new communication satellite launched recently by China. So let us start with 6G, world first 6G communication test satellite by China. So why are 6G in news recently? So China recently launched first 6G experimental satellite. The satellite tests the technology of terahertz wave in space. It is basically the practically use the terahertz. So let us also define you what is a terahertz and what is 6G communication. On November 6th, 2020, China launched world's first experimental satellite. It was launched into the orbit along 12 other satellites. It is not single but 12 other satellites. Further, the satellite weighs about 70 kg approximately. The satellite carries technology used for the forest fire prevention and crop disaster management. Basically, this is used for the forest fire prevention technique and crop disaster monitoring system. Further, let's go. What are 6G or what is 6G communication satellite, or what is new technology 6G? Because we are still in 4G era in India, and even 5G in a few handful countries have 5G network, but basically the global community presently use only 4G. So what is 6G? So 6G band lies between the 5G millimeter waves and terahertz frequency. What is terahertz frequency? Basically it is 6G and it is high frequent energy particle. Basically it is practically visible in space recently. So 6G is more advantageous than the 5G in terms of speed and loss of transmission. So why 6G is more efficient than 5G? Especially these are practically presented in space. So 5G lost various communication in space. So 6G is very precisely prevent this loss of transmission. So let's know the background about the 6G. What are the background behind the 6G development? So 14th 5-year plan China. It is as earlier we have also 5-year plan. So it is China also have 5-year plan. 2021 to 2025 is dedicated to becoming a technology self-reliant, like India also said Atmanirbhar Bharat. So it is self-reliant in what is in artificial intelligence, semiconductor chips, and 5th generation wireless technology and autonomous vehicles. Means driverless vehicles and controlled by the satellite system. As we know, our most of the electronic market depend on the China. So China also want to lead further in this industry. Basically the industries in artificial intelligence, semiconductor chips, etc. So basically 6G experiment was earlier done by the ITU, means International Telecommunication Union on 6G. What are this? The research for the 6G was recently launched by the ITU in March 2020 during its 34th ITU working group meeting. So basically 6G was planned during the 34th ITU working group meeting. Further, the research work are to begin by 2020. As you know, we are in 2021. So both machines and human. It is not only for machines, but machines and human will be used 6G communication. In other words, if you say in other words, 6G will be more related to artificial intelligence communication. So basically, you know, internet of all things, artificial intelligence, all things. So they need faster movement of the data, not like 4G or 3G. So 6G will be solution of the this type of communication. So let's go current status of 5G. So let's as you know, 6G are in practical mode, or it's experimental mode. It's not in the commercial or used by the other nations. So what is the current status of 5G? 5G is in only initial stage. If you see the commercial, it is only initial stage. There are only 82 satellites commercial network of the world using 5G. Only 82 commercial network using commercial network using 5G. Or basically these commercial networks mostly situated in US, United States, United Kingdom and Australia. Basically in these three countries. So what about India? So let's 5G in India. Basically, the government of India to carry out 5G spectrum acquisition in first quarter of 2021. It is not happened till yet, but according to the Department of Telecommunication, means Government of India, the cell will be include about 8,300 megahertz of air waves. Further, the acquisition was held in 2020, but it was postponed due to poor financial health. You know, poor financial health in the term of our Indian economy hit by COVID-19, as you know. So, what are the disadvantages of 5G? Why we move towards the 6G? So, disadvantages of 5G. Basically, it's also very important for the civil services examination. So, the range of 5G connectivity is not good as the 5G waves are travel only very short distance. It is not travel long distance and far. So, it is the first demerit or drawback of the 5G. Second is the initial cost of 5G are high. It's very costly. It consumes more power. It's also consume more power. Hence, the battery of the device, if you use any device, battery of the device is using 5G is drained fastly. They exhaust fastly, drain fastly. Further, the uploaded speed. If you see upload and download speed, as you know about the internet and all that, don't match with each other. So it is upload and download speed will be matched, but this is the disadvantage of 5G. It is not matched. So these are the main disadvantages of the 5G. So let's why this topic is very important for the civil services examination. So let's the question for the UPSC. Question: Consider the following statement regarding 6G communication. Number 1, 6G will be more related to artificial intelligence communication. Number 2, 6G will be only used by machines or machine. Third, the research for the 6G was recently launched by the International Telecommunication Union (ITU). Which of the above statements is correct? Number A, 1 only. Number B, 1 and 3. Number C, 2 and 3. Number D, all of the above. Please write your answer in the comment box. So, regarding answer of the previous video's question on the UPSC, it is answer is C, 2 and 3. Why 2 and 3? 1 is incorrect. Why 1 is incorrect? Because it is mentioned here Kepler 452b. It is wrong. What is it? It is Pyroxima b. So Pyroxima b is the closest exoplanet to the Earth and is a 4 light year away and inhabits the habitable zone of its star. So the statement 1 is wrong. Statement 1 is wrong. So exoplanet not easy to detect since they are much brighter and less than the stars they orbit. 2 is correct, and third is also correct. It is first mission, aerial mission, is dedicated to the chemical composition and thermal structure of the exoplanet. So 2 and 3 are correct. So answer is C. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video and subscribe my channel for the latest video regarding my video is specifically for the UPSC. As you know, in the past year, science and tech, ecology, environment are very significant for the UPSC examination. In last year 2020, about 45 questions in 100 questions asked from these topics. So we will meet in the next video, and thanks for watching.